How to buy AnimeCoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Anime. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find or any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with their followers. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 151,000 followers. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find it there. To be able to buy this token on your wallet, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, open your Bitget wallet for that. Now what you need to do here, click on your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and just search or find the token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on it, click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So if you want to buy it on these exchange platforms or decentralized exchange platforms, so I will show you how. So if you want to buy it on Uniswap, this decentralized exchange platform, click on this pair link. After that, click on trade here. So after that, what you need to do, I will just disconnect my wallet first. Sorry guys. So first of all, what you need to do, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. Now connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, what you need to do, if you don't find the token here, go back to this token page here on CoinMarketCap. Now what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the Ethereum network. Now go back, click here from the bottom, select the Ethereum as a network here, paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. So as you can see, just click on continue. This is our token. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you have enough USDT on your wallet, you can select the USDT, but make sure that you have enough fund on your wallet. So type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Uniswap. So if you want to buy it like in the Mixi or Binance or any of these exchange platforms, so for example, if you want to buy it on Mixi, click on Mixi as you can see here. Log into your account, and after that go on this buy option. So if select limit on markets is the same here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USDT in order to buy this token. So after that, click on buy. So if you select the market, what you need to do, drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So if you after you set that percentage of USDT, click on buy, and you will be able to buy this token on your Mixi account or any exchange platform that you actually want to use. So this is how to buy a new token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.